Paranoid, I'm paranoid
on everything.
I'm behind on my car, no watching for the repo. Every 30 minutes got me peeping out my window.
Better get some sleep, ain't got no money for the boat.
I'm paranoid, I'm paranoid
On everything.
I'm behind on my car, no watching for the repo. Every 30 minutes got me peeping out my window.
Better get some sleep, ain't got no money for the 808.
Ain't got no money, repos got me on the run behind. On my car, no job, man, I'm broke. Every corner past my house, shit, I'm thinking about the repo. Car cover on my whip to hide the room with fucking people. Looking at my people, I thought I heard somebody knock behind. On my nose shit, I know they coming, I know they plotting. I'm so nervous, head hurt, I'm the stomach scared to take a shit.
I did come in for the 808.
It's today, but they usually come when it's late. But I can't hold my shit, so I went and took a good shit. On the commodes, up for jobs on the D. Got frustrated, looking at ass videos, speaking about me. My sense craving gone, hit the green, then I sleep. Hours later, woke up, damn that neck was so clutch. Look out the window, a sign relief as I peek, looking in the driveway.
I did come in for the 808.
I'm paranoid
On everything.
I'm behind on my car, no watching for the repo. Every 30 minutes got me peeping out my window.
Better get some sleep, ain't got no money for the boat.
I'm paranoid
On everything.
I'm behind on my car, no watching for the repo. Every 30 minutes got me peeping out my window.
Better get some sleep,
I
ain't got no
did come
money
in for the 808.
For all of y'all that got y'all car repossessed, man, I done been up before. I know how this shit feel. Damn repo, damn they feel like a damn op on the street. You know what I'm saying? You know they watch, you know they plot, you know they out to get you.
I did come in for the 808.